In today's digital age, social media plays a significant role in many aspects of our lives, and family law cases are no exception. What you post online can have a substantial impact on your divorce, child custody, or other family law proceedings. It's crucial to be aware of how your social media activity might be perceived and potentially used in legal proceedings. Impact of social media on family law cases. Evidence in court. Social media posts, messages, and even location check-ins can be used as evidence in family law cases. This can affect matters such as property division, e.g., posts showing expensive purchases, child custody, e.g., photos depicting irresponsible behavior, spousal support, e.g., LinkedIn updates about new job opportunities. Credibility. Your online presence can influence how you're perceived by the court, potentially affecting your credibility as a witness or parent. Emotional impact. Posts about new relationships or lavish spending can escalate conflicts and make negotiations more difficult. Child well-being. Sharing details about children or the divorce process can negatively impact their emotional well-being and privacy. Best practices for social media. During family law proceedings, limit or pause activity. Consider taking a break from social media during your case, or at least significantly reducing your activity. Review privacy settings. Ensure your accounts are set to the highest privacy settings, but remember that even private posts can potentially be accessed through legal means. Be cautious with new connections. Be wary of accepting new friend requests, as opposing parties may attempt to gain access to your information. Avoid discussing your case. Refrain from posting any details about your legal proceedings, negotiations, or feelings about your ex-spouse or the court process. Think before posting. Consider how each post might be interpreted if presented in court. Avoid posts that could be seen as threatening, irresponsible, or inflammatory. Monitor tagged content. Be aware of content you're tagged in by friends or family, as this can also be used as evidence. Don't delete accounts. Deleting accounts or posts after proceedings have begun can be seen as destroying evidence and may lead to negative consequences in your case. Be mindful of dating apps. If you're using dating apps, be aware that your profile and activity on these platforms can also be scrutinized in legal proceedings. Legal considerations. Admissibility. In Texas, social media content is generally admissible in court if it's relevant to the case and can be authenticated. Discovery. Your social media activity may be subject to discovery requests, meaning you might be legally required to provide access to your accounts. Preservation of evidence. Once legal proceedings begin, you may be required to preserve all social media content, including private messages. Positive use of social media. While caution is crucial, social media can sometimes be used positively in family law cases, demonstrating parental involvement. Posts showing positive interactions with your children can support your case for custody or visitation. Proving claims. In some cases, social media can help prove claims about your ex-spouse's behavior or financial situation. Communication records. Direct messages or posts can sometimes serve as records of agreements or important communications. Consulting with an attorney. It's advisable to discuss your social media use with your family law attorney. They can provide guidance on specific do's and don'ts based on your case, how to handle existing social media content, strategies for managing your online presence during proceedings, potential ways to use social media evidence in your favor. In conclusion, while social media is an integral part of many people's lives, it's crucial to exercise extreme caution when involved in family law proceedings. Your online activity can have real-world consequences in your legal case. By being mindful of your digital footprint and following best practices, you can protect your interests and avoid potential pitfalls in your family law matter. If you are in the Arlington, Texas area and would like professional advice, contact attorney Violet Nwokoye at 817-962-0773.